Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for bestbookreaders.com. Today I'm going to test a word game for Windows 8. It's called Wordament. It's by Microsoft Studios. Now the reason I'm not a big fan of games per se. It's because I think they're a waste of time. Now when it comes to chess or word games, I think the fact that you actually learn something or maybe just use your brain a little bit more. The other games are fine if you have time. Now, personally, in my case, I really don't have time to play games, and I know from the other reviews you guys have probably found out that I'm not really exactly a gamer, and we don't really review games. But word games, you can actually learn a lot, and this one actually is pretty simple. Provides you with instructions, and it's telling you how the app is gonna work. So you can go each way the valid moves are, as long as you can just make the word with a swipe. So it's not just one direction or two, it's going all directions. So that adds to the complexity of the game. I'm not sure if they're gonna ask me to create a new account, or the last time I played they didn't ask me for an account, so yeah. As I expected. So I'm just waiting for that countdown. I'm trying to find it long word. Doesn't support that. Interesting. That was language. Then oops. Sage. Oops. So time's up. I don't know. I think they should probably give a medal of dishonor for that effort, but the good thing is the game actually shows you what you didn't find, and it also demonstrates it so you can see what you missed. Now my problem specifically here was I was actually shooting for longer words, and I actually got most of them. A couple of them I missed. Actually, more than a couple. It looks like 100 of them, but you get the point, and it shows you how you're doing. And that's the next one. I don't want to keep playing this. I just want to demonstrate how this works. Oops, I'm having some trouble. So when you find the words, it actually shows you in the words that you're finding there, and has the achievements, has the leaderboards, so you can actually see how you're competing with others. So that's basically it. Let me show you the help and options. It's not that important. It's just changing basic stuff on the settings of the game, and also if you want to turn the sound off, for instance, and turn it down. I actually, to get the most out of a Windows tablet, and that's what I've realized in the past couple of days that I've been trying this Acer Iconia, is that you really want to be conservative with the volume of sound, with the brightness of your screen, and with the connections you make. Let's say I'm doing HDMI right now. This actually drains the battery faster. That's my test. It drains it much faster. So I go from 90% to 70% in like an hour. Whereas if I'm just reading a book, it takes me a couple hours to go that far. So the more conservative you are, the more you're gonna get. You're gonna have a very, very difficult time getting 8 hours out of a tablet like this if you're having 10 different apps open and you're using a USB and playing games and doing all kinds of stuff. So that's about it. This is Wordament by Microsoft, and by Microsoft Studios actually. And when you use it, you go to Xbox and Xbox Live and get to start playing and compare your results with others. The graphics are decent. The game is responsive. I wouldn't expect anything less. Let's say it's basic. It's a basic word game, and it does what it promises. So you can download it for free from the Microsoft App Store. And here's where you find it actually. Let me show you. So you type it, you go to a store, and you just download right there. That's all you have to do. And if you want to buy a paid one, you can download that way as well. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please subscribe, and also go to bestebookreaders.com for more coverage. Thank you very much, guys.